Bonjour, oui, oui. Sanbanani Dumalangap Shiri. Hello, it's the one and only Queen Beepa. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today, my auntie is in South Africa. My auntie that we were with in Nigeria last year, she came to visit us and to see South Africa. So I want her to say hi to you guys. This is my auntie, Auntie Essie. Say hi to the Chanel.
Hi.
So this is I'm also with mommy and my little brother. Say hi.
Hi.
Come say hi. Come say hi to the channel and Happy New Year. They haven't seen
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Auntie. Dumedisa wena.
What's up?
So yeah, guys, I'm starting a new vlog. So I've never actually been to. Let me lock this car. I've never actually been to Little Paris. It's my first time, and we decided to explore with the family
Because of Skim Sam.
because of Skim Sam. Yes, the bougie mama in Saudi. How far now?
I did.
How far?
How far? I did.
You there?
I did well.
I did well.
No, Allah, nothing they happen.
Fine girl, no pimple. Eh? Sweet mama, hot mama. So yeah, guys, let me just show you around. If you're new to my channel, all you have to do to be a part of my beautiful family is to subscribe, like, comment, engage with me on all my social media platforms. I'm just gonna show you around because I've never actually been here. It's so crazy. So let me start at the beginning. Oh, look at that bird, mama. Get pick up. It's a fowl, ne? Look at that bird. It's sweet. You've eaten it before. Auntie, tell us what is that? What is it?
This is a guinea fowl.
A guinea fowl.
Yes.
And you eat it in Nigeria?
Yes, we eat it. You can only get it in the northern part of Nigeria.
The northern part. Is it
Yes.
expensive?
Very expensive.
Wow. So if we catch it now?
Oh.
You prepare it for soup. Guys, they now charge. It's not free. How cute.
See, they buy the small cup. Small cup in their house. Okay, this is what you want to do.
My mom needs a fountain in the house. For what reason? Jesus. Oh my Gucci. This is insane.
Wait, that was it. Relax. Okay, I got it. Okay, go back. Okay, no, wait. Cool. Okay.
How beautiful is this? Wow. So guys, people have locked their love in La family. La family. I'm locking my love with my family. Auntie, let's buy a lock. It's me and you for life. Me and you. You and I. Let's do a covenant.
Me and you forever.
Yes,
I mean, with you go there forever. You are my daughter.
Yes, auntie. Sweet mama.
Yeah.
White tea, a white, a white tea, a white, a white tea, a white, a white tea, auntie, a what? A white tea, a what?
Hello.
A white. So we're done, guys. They actually charge right now 50 rand entrance to this place, so it's no longer free. Oh, look at the beetle! Oh, my favorite car! A white tea. A what, auntie? A white tea. A what? A white tea. A what?
And went.
Paris, oui, oui, bonjour, merci. Not my brother becoming a master photographer for other people and directing them into their own shots on their videos and phones. Guys, we're done at Little Paris. Quite an adventure. I would suggest you come through. It's really nice. It's really exploratory. Like, it's very nice. It's such a touristy thing to do. So now I'm gonna drive off. We're probably gonna go to Lion Safari, and then after Lion Safari we're gonna try that orange restaurant, and then maybe we can also pass by Upside Down House. So I'm gonna charge my phone now, it's almost dying. I'll check you guys later. Hi guys, so we just got to the Upside Down famous house. And yeah, we're just gonna pay and then we're gonna enter the house and see what it looks like. It's also my first time, guys. Let's go. Don't know the owner. That is why it's upside down. So auntie, when you enter this house, you must also go upside down. Abby?
Because everything is upside down. That is how
So you go upside down as well?
let's go inside first and see how inside looks like.
No, but you're the one that said it. We must go in upside
See,
down.
this is how we enter.
That's how we enter, auntie. That is how. Wait, that is how we enter. You see? Upside down. So are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. You'll be crawling.
All is part of the toast.
So nice to be a tourist in your own country, but home.
Your own country, man.
Yeah, can't believe I've never.
Always do.
I know. I can't believe I've never been here. But it's because of Auntie. A whitey.
This is South Africa.
Uh-huh.
We are enjoying ourselves.
Yes.
We have come to a house that is upside down.
Uh-huh.
Oh, nothing is normal there. Everything is abnormal.
Uh-huh. So why didn't you enter the house abnormal?
Me, I enter. You face down too. Everybody face down. They don't say we be Nigerians. What's that?
That's so easy.
So we speak our own for here.
Uh-huh.
So we come South Africa.
Uh-huh.
Everything I know they good.
Uh-huh.
Normal.
Uh-huh.
Everybody they use head to the work. And so we take it to the house. Now so South Africa.
No, they carry land.
We know they carry land. Delta State no they carry land. And these are one family. Glory be to God.
Amen. Lord. So.
Have you not been so?
That's so.
Urobodo.
Mado.